Someone got a bump. Someone got a bump.
All right, Fearless Leader will be the last one on the line. So no more speed, no more laps. No speed, no laps. Straight's closed.
Where am I?
Let's set that grid and get to racing.
1, 2, 3.
Jeff, Michael, Kevin, Vince, Dustin, Joseph, and Joe. Joey, Jeff.
I don't think that's appropriate.
Kevin, Vince, Dustin, Joseph, and Joe. We got a grid. We got marshals. Be polite, work together on the fourth cone. Come on, let's finish strong. Our first clean first lap of the day. Looks like Dustin rolled it over all on his own. He'll have 4 minutes and 30 seconds to think about what he's done.
After 30 seconds.
Phelps trying to hang on to the back of Joe. Michael and Kevin right there. So it's going to be a three-way battle for first loser. Down the straightaway they go. Around Karen, up over the infield double. This is going to be fun.
Leave it. I'll let the leaders go by.
Auto on the left. The top drivers are Joey Knight in first place, followed by Jack Rex in second place, followed by Michael McKean in third place.
It doesn't affect anything until the end of the race, right? It's only to do it before the... Like, it doesn't affect your next start. It's only to do it before the result.
Ooh.
Okay, sorry, back to racing. Joe can lead around. Phelps and McHugh in the close battle. Lamaco up to the fourth. Then Joseph and Coach.
The top drivers are Joey Knight
Dustin and Joe. Let's see, so the leader is out there somewhere doing leader things. Phelps is honestly in a difficult place. Phelps, with a tragedy, has to pull it. So McHugh, I believe that's a white front green rear into the wall riders here too. Lintag up to the free, that's probably all red. McHugh goes by 4, Lintag so Joseph
followed by Michael McKean.
finding some pace on the hammer down to try to reel in the back of McHugh. See if he can get himself a 2 in A1. One is the fast lap of the race out of your leader. Next fastest is a 12.4 out of the McHugh. Lintag is 12.7. Looks like Lamaco's working his way up to the back of Lintag.
First place, followed by Michael McKean in second place, followed by Joseph Lintag in third place.
So the 2 car goes by with 12.7. Sorry, the 3 car goes by with 12.7. Ooh. Starting to space themselves out now. Lamaco and Coach, the closest battle. That is on the straightaway right now, nose to tail. Around Karen. These guys racing together.
The top drivers are Joey Knight in first place, followed by Michael McKean in second place, followed by Joseph Lintag in third place.
Fearless Leader down the straightaway, leading Lamaco around Karen. Little line, manages to hang on to it. So let's see both of them start to reel in Lintag. With a minute and 30, it's not impossible. Little traffic coming Joseph's way. Little bobble exiting the race corner. So Fearless Leader with the hammer down, trying to get himself up on that podium. Dustin will be the first car. So Dustin and Joe, you've got
Thanks.
that. Dustin, you're gonna have the four.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, appreciate that. So Fearless Leader with his head down, he's got Brandon, Joe Rio, Joseph there in 1.4 last time. Looks like he might have closed it up a little bit of a hang up for Joseph that time. Gap goes down to less than a second.
45 seconds left.
Fearless Leader hammered down, trying to get himself up onto that podium in Stadium Truck. A little wide around the dot for Joseph. Fearless Leader catches a fight. Gap stays the same, 30 seconds on the clock. Up off the step down, Joseph nearly throws it away. Let's Fearless Leader close the gap. Joseph again tapping the pipe at the hairpin. Fearless Leader all over the back one, wide into the race. Fearless Leader looks to the inside, backs out of it.
15 seconds left.
So the battle for the last spot on the podium down the straightaway, both of them tagging the pipe. They get by for one more. This will be it. Can Fearless Leader find a way by into the hair? Oh!
Fearless Leader done.
Joseph takes on
Holy moly.
2, and yes,
That was close.
Awesome.